Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Perkymegs. I am Megha and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel, singing, everything that I love. I make videos on that. So please join this journey with me and subscribe to my channel Perkymegs. Coming back to today's video, a lot of you requested me on Instagram to make a video on Sari. Now I exactly asked you guys what exactly you want to see on Sari. So the highest ranking of the requests that I got was to style a sari in different ways, a sari, different trendy ways, one sari in different ways, one sari with different blouses. So today I'm going to show you how to style a cotton sari in different trendy ways with different blouses because it's summertime and cotton saris are best for that. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Perkymegs for all the updates on fashion, beauty and everything. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, style number 1 is a normal falling palla style, but I have here ditched the traditional blouse and styled it with a contrasting crop top. Now the advantage of this is also that it gives a slimming effect and hides the belly really well. So try contrasting crop tops with saris and style with matching accessories for a perfect modern Indian look. Now the style number 2 is a Siddha pallu style, but I have given a twist with this peplum top and a belt. Guys, this is a perfect, elegant and classy look to sport at meetings, at work. It's really nice. So for this look, wear a peplum top over the sari in the Siddha pallu style and tie it with a contrasting belt like I'm doing here, and you are ready for this modern Indian sari look. Style this look with minimal accessories for elegant and classy look. Now style number 3 guys is a very chic look where I'm wearing this sari in the scarf style. So for this I'm wearing this cold shoulder crop top over the sari. So for this, just take the pallu inside the crop top like this and wrap it around your neck like a scarf and just pin it, and you are ready for this scarf style sari. This is such a modern and chic look. I really love it. So try it guys, you're gonna love it. So for the style number 4, I'm wearing this sari in thick pleats and then I have tied it with a belt here. This is a very effortless style and the belt gives it a really edgy modern look. So experiment with your blouses, experiment with your draping, and it gives a altogether new look to the Indian sari. Now the last look is guys a very edgy rock chick look where I'm wearing sari with pants. Now this is the latest trend, all the celebs are sporting it, so you just have to use pants and wear the sari over that like this. This look is perfect whenever you want to experiment with your sari and you want an edgy modern look. So I am cocktailed ready with this sari with pants look. So let me know guys in the comment section below which of the 5 looks you liked most. So guys, this is all about how to style one sari in different ways, different trendy ways with different blouses. I hope you all like this video. Also a traditional sari look is coming up soon. So if you are interested in that, that is coming up soon. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel Perkymegs. Follow me on Instagram for all the quick fashion and beauty updates. Meet you next on a very interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.